Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are reviewing rechargeable batteries. So we got rechargeable AA batteries, we've got, I believe they're AAA, and a charger. I'll have a link in the video description where you guys can get these from a safe seller. So let's check them out. The nice thing about rechargeable batteries is it saves you a lot of money in the long run. Nice little case here. So these are AAA. And let's see, I believe the AA might be in here. So these batteries, or at least the AA, are 2800 mAh. Let's see the AAA. AAA is 1100 mAh. Let's go ahead and open up the charger. Yeah, that's a nice charger. I like that. So you can charge the AAA and AA on the same thing. And they do supply you with the USB cable here. So you can use this with your laptop, your computer, or anywhere you can plug a USB port. So let's go ahead, plug this in. Let's go plug that in. Oh, that's really cool. So did you guys just see that? It lit up. So let's go ahead and put in our AAA. So that you can see, it looks like they might have been pre-charged. Unless that's charging, so we'll have to check and see. But I believe the green means it's charged already. That would make sense. Or it could mean it's charging. So that one's a little hard, doesn't stay in quite as good. But basically, all you need to do is just lay them in, and they start charging. Let's go ahead and test out the AAA ports. So it's very nice, very simple. It's 1.2 volts output, 3.5 amps, 1.8 amp for AAA, 3.5 for AA. Very nice. I really like this. I like how it lights up. And you know, it's not like the whole thing lights up. When you take one out, it gets darker where it's not charging. So that, yeah, these are really nice. I can give them probably, I would say the cases were a little hard to open, but that's no big deal. I think we could give these an 8.5 out of 10. We'll see how long they last, the batteries, but yeah, you know, I'm very happy. We'll do an updated review in the future, probably 6 months. But yeah, they're very, very nice. I'm very happy with them. Alright, let's go and use some of these batteries, because we have a light that ran. Alright, so we have a little light here. This one still works. We have regular batteries in, but this one doesn't light up anymore. So we're going to go ahead and put our rechargeable batteries in here. Okay. Take out our cheap Amazon batteries that didn't last long at all. These are Amazon brand batteries. They did not last long. Look at that, nice and bright. You can't get any better than that. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back up. There we go. Much brighter than the cheap Amazon ones. Look at that, you can tell the difference. Very nice. Link's in my video description if you guys are interested.